welcome to my channel AllasYummyFood and to my wonderful kitchen. Today I'm going to show you how to make lemon lava cake. This lava cake is so good. It's really refreshing. It's very lemony. If you like lemon desserts but not like too much in your face, this is like the perfect one. It's got the sweetness and the sourness all together, and it's so easy to prepare, and everybody who likes lemony desserts is gonna love you for sure. So make sure you check it out, check all my other lava cakes as well, and subscribe to my channel. It's completely free, guys, and it makes me super happy when you subscribe. And also click the notification bell, because if you don't click that, you actually don't get notified when I upload the new videos. So on this note, let's get started. In a bowl, add white chocolate. Use the highest white chocolate you can, and then add your unsalted butter, and in a microwave melt it together until it's nice and smooth. Make sure you don't burn your white chocolate. In a separate bowl, add your eggs with icing sugar and mix everything until it's nice and smooth. Then add your vanilla extract and mix everything together. Next, I'm adding my white chocolate mixture with butter and mixing everything again until it's nice and smooth. Then add your sifted flour and whisk everything until it becomes nice and smooth again. Next, take your lemons and grate them on the finest grater until you get a lemon zest. And I'm also going to squeeze some lemon juice and make sure that you get all the juice out there without any seeds, just like that. And then we're going to add our lemon zest and lemon juice into our white chocolate mixture and mix everything together until it's nice and smooth. This will give it a really nice lemony flavor. Then use your ramekins and spray them with some cooking oil, and then add some white flour inside, and you want to coat it around to make sure that all the sides are covered. This will ensure that our cakes don't burn or don't get stuck to the ramekins. Next, place your white chocolate mixture in the middle. I'm using about 2 tablespoons, and then I'm going to add about 1 teaspoon of lemon curd inside. If you want to learn how to make lemon curd, make sure to check out my website. Then I'm going to top it up with more white chocolate mixture, and then we're going to bake these for about 15 to 17 minutes depending on your oven at about 180 degrees Celsius or 350 Fahrenheit. Guys and girls, I have my recipe on my website at AllasYummyFood.com. You'll find full ingredients and also directions on how to make this. And also you'll be able to find loads of other recipes that I do for my channel. Just click on the picture, and you'll be able to see the whole video with the directions and the full recipe in English and Russian languages. Once the cakes are done, leave them to cool down for a few minutes. Then we want to flip it onto your serving plate and gently take it out. And you can see beautiful vanilla white chocolate cake. And then we're going to add some icing sugar on top and decorate it with some lemon slices and lemon shavings, just to make it look pretty. I'm also adding some grated lemon on top. And you can serve this with ice cream if you wish. Depends. It tastes really good on its own with ice cream and cream. And when you cut into each cake, you can see the beautiful white chocolate with lemon curd coming out. It's so delicious, really fluffy cake. Very, very delicious for those who love lemon. So I hope you try this. Leave your comments down below and let me know what you guys thought. Make sure to check all my other videos here.